Hey guys, welcome back to Today Daily. So today I have my friend Marley here, and today we are doing pancake art, as you can see. And today we are doing like fall, Halloween stuff. So Halloween is right around the corner, and I'm really excited. I don't know why that. Without further ado, let's get started. But before we do that, make sure to smash that subscribe button, give this video a like. Now let's get on to the video. Woo, 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 woo. Alright guys, so we have all our stuff and all of our colors here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this Pam original spray. Pam spray. So we're just gonna spray a little on. And then we're gonna take a paper towel, just be careful. Have a parent help you with this part. We're just gonna rub it all over. And we have this on a very warm temperature. It literally says warm. And you want it to be on a very low so that it gives you enough time to make your pancake art. Yeah. Okay, so do you want to choose the first item? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so I'm gonna go first. And we have like fall, autumn, Halloween things in here. Ooh, we have a skull. Okay, I'm gonna outline in black. So, I'm done that. I'm gonna do my eyes like purple. Now I'm just gonna wait for my pancake. Our pans are still heating up kind of, so it's taking a minute. Okay, I think mine's done, so flip. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I think mine is done cooking. So guys, here's my skull. Super cute, I love it. It's my cute little pancake. So let's move on to the next one. My turn. I kind of went for a pumpkin. Candy. I'm gonna make candy corn. Okay, mine is ready to flip. Boom, guys. Okay, this is my candy corn. It looks delicious. No! Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the next one. Face with witch hat. Okay. So, pretty much a witch, I guess. I'm gonna do her skin green, I think, but I'm gonna outline it in black. Now I'm gonna use white for the teeth. Now her eyes are gonna be red, yeah. I'm gonna fill her face in with green. That's what I was gonna do. Wow. Oh my gosh, mine looks so creepy and weird. The only part that I need to wait for is this part. That part's just super gooey. Oh! It looks so good. Okay, my witch is all done, so I'm just gonna get mine on a plate. So here is my witch. She's a little bit creepy. Okay, this is mine, but it's not quite done yet. What do we get? What do we get? Leaf. I'm gonna make a little heart. Making something cute for you guys. Mine are all done, so there's my leaf. It's not very good, and there's a heart for you guys. And this is a heart for those of you who don't subscribe. This is my heart. And then my autumn leaf. So we're ready for the next one. So I chose the ghost. Let's do this. Mine is just cooking. Okay, guys, this is my little ghost pancake. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And let me know if you guys try this yourselves by giving it a like and telling me on my Instagram, The Daya Daily. If you did it, say, I did it, with a heart and smiley face. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!